Hi guys, welcome back to RVC Talk. So how do we approach this problem? Let's look at 50C4 plus sigma r equal to 1 to 6, 56 minus r C3, right? So to approach this one, so let's expand this one. First 50C4 plus r equal to 1 to 6, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's write this one in detail. So 55C3, 54C3, 53C3, 52C3, 51C3 plus 50C3, right? So and then once you rearrange these, right, so in the order of C3, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, and we know that NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR, right? So apply this, the first two 50C4 plus 50C3 becomes 51C4. The same way, the next again, like every time you add 2, 51C4 plus 51C3 equal to 52C4, right? The same way, finally it becomes 54C4 plus 54C3 equal to 55C4. In turn, plus 55C3 becomes 56C4, right? So yeah, so overall answer is 56C4. Thank you.